The Motorola BPR40 is an extremely popular two-way radio model. With 8 to 16 channels and 4 to 5 watts of power, this Motorola handheld is an ideal option for many different industries. There are 2 different options available for this BPR40 model: the Motorola BPR40 8-channel UHF, the Motorola BPR40 16-channel UHF. For the workers utilizing this handheld, it's often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include single and multi-unit chargers. Having a working charger on hand ensures that your two-way radios are always charged and ready for use. Multi-unit chargers, however, allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios. Rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers, which take up more outlet space, a multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be charged at the same time and accounted for. The BPR40 possesses 2 different types of multi-unit chargers. The 6-bank charger. This product can charge up to 6 BPR40 handhelds at one time. The 12-bank charger. The 12-bank charger charges a fleet of up to 12 two-way radios. 2-wire surveillance kit earpieces. For more discreet communications, this 2-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply connect to the radio, lace the wire through your shirt, and clip the earpiece to your collar. Lastly, wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to the ear canal. This accessory is not only discreet, but it also is comfortable. When properly cleaned, teams can utilize different memory foam ear tips and share these accessories. D-shell earpiece. The D-shell earpieces are ideal for industries such as manufacturing, construction, and other rugged environments. This durable accessory loops around the ear in order to create a secure attachment. With loud, clear audio as well as a push-to-talk button, workers can easily communicate while on the job. Speaker microphones. Speaker microphones are great options for those within industries such as retail, education, and manufacturing, when quick relay of messages is necessary but the team needs to operate hands-free. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. These 2way Direct brand batteries not only offer comparable quality and fit, but they also come with a pre-assembled belt clip for quick use. For more information on accessories which work with the Motorola BPR40 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote online, and we will get back with you. If this video was helpful to you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content from Two-Way Direct.